nausea, many hours of vomiting, extreme pain behind the eyes and sensitivity to light, sudden chills and then copious sweating, and the centimetre-long fangs puncturing her skin. That also hurt. Tarantulas don't spin classical webs. Instead, you can find their silk-lined burrows in a variety of habitats across Australia. They're largely distributed across the north, but can range as far south as the tip of Victoria. Australia's tarantulas, often called barking or whistling spiders, are known to be more aggressive than most. When threatened, they may strike with their powerful fangs, but not before they've sent a warning, quite curiously, by whistling. By rubbing modified spines on their front pair of limbs against opposing spines along their jawline, Australia's tarantulas send a clear signal to keep your distance. One man who hasn't kept his distance is bioprospector Stuart Douglas.